What's up, guys? So today is the day we install the Hella Horns with the Grimmspeed harness and Grimmspeed bracket. While we wait for the UPS guy to arrive, let's go ahead and get a head start and remove the bumper. So catch you guys once we got that done.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright, so you guys should be pretty familiar with how to remove the bumper. I showed it last time on the Girlcraft grill install. So you gotta remove the screws and tabs up here, and this whole thing will pop out this little trim. And we got a few clips on the bottom, as well as a couple on the sides down here. But like I said, if you go to the Girlcraft install, I should have it in there. So let's get started. Alright, now let's move to the sides and the bottom and get the bumper off. Let's do this. Just in time. Packages came from UPS. Let's unbox it. So we got the Hella Horns. They should be blue. Yep. Blue. Black tappies. And we've got the bracket, as well as the harness. See how simple that is? So, here's a close-up of the horns. So let's start. Alright, so in order to mount this, it looks like it goes this way. So it uses 3 mounting points. Oh, gotta remove that one bolt first. Looks like I gotta remove that clip as well. Now that I think about it, I gotta probably install the horns on this first, and I'll be right back. Alright, that took a lot of persuasion. I had to use a hammer. These things are on really tight. So, let's see now. So as you can see, as I think you guys could see from there, let's try to zoom you guys in a little. Alright, so as you can see, the latch still moves freely. So now all we gotta do is wire it up. So this is the Grimmspeed harness. So these parts will go to the horn. This will go to the OEM connector. So it should be that easy. And they also give you a heat shrink wrap for the harness part. Alright, let's give it a shot before I put everything back together. Hopefully it isn't too loud. I don't want to piss people off here. Alright, so that's working. Now I just gotta put everything back together. Alright, so we're all done here. Looks pretty good. I think it came out great. So as far as the test goes for the sound level, if you saw in the last vlog, I tried to test out the OEM ones, but there was a problem with that footage. So I went and did it all over again, so you guys will see that in a second here. So right now I'm going to test out the volume decibels on this, and let's see how it does. Alright, so there you go guys, there's a comparison. For some reason it shows up as only a few more decibels than the stock ones, but in person it sounds a lot louder, the tone's a lot different. So I'm not sure why it shows up like that. Then again, it is a smartphone app, so take it with a grain of salt. Otherwise, I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with the Grimmspeed harness. The install was really easy. Just plug them into the horns and drop the wire down to the plug, the OEM plug, and that's it, you're done. No need to run all sorts of wires up and down to the battery, to a relay and all that stuff. So unfortunately I can't compare it to the setup with a relay. I have one laying around. I could maybe do it some day down the line, but for now I'm really content with this. So that being said, all that's up next is the Subaru steering wheel. Once we get that in, hopefully sometime soon. They said early October. It is early October, we'll see. So otherwise, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.